Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today, man, Topic Tuesday for the one time if you're new to the channel. Topic Tuesday, every single Tuesday we have a new topic and we always hit 1,000 likes. So hit that thumbs up for the one time, my brethren. First and foremost, man, we're talking about drop front shoe boxes. Now, I've made this video countless times throughout the years. Maybe not countless times, a few times. But, you know, these, what I have in the back, I just feel like I get Instagram DMs all.
What are you working at?
How you gonna interrupt my video? Talk about sneaker containers.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What about them?
Are they worth it?
Are they worth it? These are it?
Yeah.
What kind of chintzy? Shit! They're not put together very well.
What are you doing?
Gotta make sure that they fit together good. They go back together, right? This part seems pretty solid.
No, they come in one piece.
Good luck with that.
As I was saying. So a lot of you guys always ask me, where do I get these? What are these? And I tell you the Container Store, and I think a lot of people don't know, like, there's actually a store called the Container Store. Like, I'm not just saying the Container Store, do your research. You know, like, it's not like, oh, why? I'm not saying Container Store. I'm literally saying there is a store called the Container Store, thecontainerstore.com. I'll put the link down below. They're actually having 25% off of these. Now, this specifically is the men's size. This fits up to a size 13, I would say. This is a size 12 right here in this box. But the reason you'd get these is obviously because it's a super clean display, right? I mean, keep the Spider-Mans. I didn't even show you guys that I got these yet. But yeah, you know, like, it's nice to be able to just, boom, slide your shoes right in there. And these are $9.99 a piece, but right now, like I said, you can get 25% off. And this is the time of season to pick these up if you want them. So hurry up before that deal ends. But yeah, man, overall, I think it's a great way to display your sneakers. I don't think anything really compares to it. It's just super clean. Especially if you put this in your closet, you go in and pick what shoes you want and boom, done deal. I think the worst thing is when you're trying to get a sneaker and it's in boxes. First off, you don't even know what sneaker's what. If you have the labels, the boxes facing the wall, and then you gotta pick up all these boxes and they fall on you, and it's just an annoying process when you can literally just stack these, crack it open, boom. Oh, this is what I want to wear today. Done deal. Super simple, very easy, very elegant, modern, and it just looks clean. So really, you guys can be the judge of that, man. If you want them, I just wanted to make this video to really clear it up where you can get them. The Container Store. The link is below. That'll take you straight to it. Women, they got it for you. Men, they got it for you. It's as simple as that. Now, I don't want to cut this Topic Tuesday short, so here's a quick little unboxing from Nike. Man, we taking dubs this year, bro. Just straight dubs. I can't wait for y'all to see what I got. So we had a little surprise drop. Blam. You know what I'm saying? Double up season. I did the review early, but yeah. Sorry guys, I know a lot of you just can't wait to get these. Yeah, super clean. I figured I'd just show you now rather than making a whole video about it. But I do have a topic that I want to talk about when it comes to the Bred 4s. A lot of people have been having issues on that, so just kind of stay tuned for that video. But yeah, man, I've been trying to be a machine for you guys and upload as much as possible. I'd love for you guys to drop some feedback below on what you'd like to see in the future. I know a lot of you are digging the newest content, but I'd love to, you know, broaden the audience a lot more. So if there's any other type of videos that you guys would be interested in watching, let me know down below. But that's all I have for Topic Tuesday today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night. You guys know the drill. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. You gotta get that 1,000 likes to keep it going, you know what I'm saying? And also, if you haven't already, join that mailing list to let you know when every single video drop. Every single video. But this is your boy SneakerLife, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now.